Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am unboxing my first Influenster Vox box and also giving my first impression on the new Milk Makeup Setting Spray. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So freaking excited because I got my first Influenster Vox box and I get to test out a new product from Milk Makeup. And this is what the box looks like. And we're just gonna open up this package and see what they sent you, girl. Okay, let's get into it. So when I open the box, this is what it looks like. Cute, cute. Got this little card. That's what it looks like. So the new product that I'll be testing out today is the Mini Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. It is clean, alcohol-free, dual phase setting and setting refreshing spray, sets makeup for up to 12 hours, hydrates skins, and provides breathable, glassy glow. Ooh, that sounds cute. So in here, just gonna read what it says. So for one, it says Blue Agave Grip Phase. Is it like two different colors? Yeah, I guess. Okay, so it says blue agave extract, which helps grips to set makeup. It has hemp, which is a derived cannabis seed extract, aloe, vitamin B3, and hyaluronic acid, which helps hydrate, refresh, and help provide antioxidants benefits. And then for two, which is the green cannabis glow phase, it is hemp, derived cannabis, and moringa seed oils, provide an extra boost of hydration and glassy glow. And then the directions just says shake to mix and activate. I'm excited to see this. Let's see what this looks like. So I have two items here. They sent me the travel size. So this one here is the Hydro Grip Set and Refreshing Spray. So this is the new product that Milk Makeup is coming out with. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I see why it says, blue agave grip phase and green cannabis glow. So you see it has the green at the top and the blue at the bottom. So you just got to shake that to mix it together. And then this one here, oh my gosh, they sent me a Hydro Grip primer. I love this freaking primer. And this is what it looks like. So this can be my backup because I already have one. So I'm just gonna put this back in the packaging because like I said, I already have one. And this is just gonna be my backup for whenever I run out the one that I have. Okay. If you are a small YouTuber like myself, and if you want to receive like free products to do reviews on and receive like new products that companies are coming out with, you guys should definitely check out Influenster. This video is not sponsored, but your girl just got a new product that ain't even out yet. And I'm so excited. I get to try it out before they bring it out into stores. So yeah, this product will be available on September 3rd. On the Milk Makeup's website, Sephora.com, and also in Sephora stores. This is what it says on the thing here. And it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and 100% vegan. So for all my clean makeup users out there, got you this here. So I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick, and we're gonna get into this. But first, before I do my makeup, let me go ahead and put something on my lips because my lips feeling real dry, okay? And I'm using my good sis lip gloss from the Lavish Way. And this one is in, well, the name of this one is Rose. It's super hydrating. My lips feel so good. It smells good. It smells like peppermint. I love the smell of peppermint. Like, it just smells so good. And my lips just feel so freaking moisturized. And can you see the shine, honey? Can you see the shine? Okay. And they also have like some roses and everything like that in there. So if you're interested in this lip gloss, go ahead and check out the Lavish Way. I'll leave the website in the description box down below. Help support small businesses, Black owned businesses as well. So yeah, go ahead and get you some lip gloss from the go ahead and get you some lip gloss from the Lavish Way, and also check out some other things that she has on her website. Okay, period. So like I said, I already have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, so I'm just going to use the one that I have, which is like halfway gone. And I'm just going to put some of this on my face. I really like this primer because it does what it says. It helps the makeup grip to your face, and like it gets super tacky, which is really good. That helps, which is really good because that helps your makeup stay. Get my face sticky, sticky, sticky. And as you guys can see, my brows are already done. I do have a tutorial on how I do my brows, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it up in the cards up above for you so you can check it out. Since I'm testing out Milk makeup products, I'm just going to use the Milk Makeup Foundation Stick in the shade Golden Deep. You know what the heck, we just gonna use this spray to dampen up my brush so I can blend that foundation in. So shake it up like the direction says. I like that it has that little fine mist on it. I don't smell nothing. So I know you guys didn't come here for me to do my makeup, so I'm just gonna speed through my makeup and come back once when it's time to set my makeup with the setting spray. All right, y'all, so I'm probably looking crazy because I don't have my lashes on or any lippies or anything like that, but we about to set this makeup, and this is the perfect time because your girl is feeling a little dry. So yeah, let's just get into it. So we're gonna shake it well, like the direction says. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so first impressions. It doesn't have a scent. I like how it missed out. I think I said that earlier, like when I was spraying it on the brush, but I like how it has that fine mist. It doesn't feel like it's hitting you in the face like real hard or whatever. But yeah, this feels really good. My face doesn't feel dry anymore. So it definitely hydrates the skin like it stated. And I'm just using my sponge, just, you know, just to tap the excess in. So now we got rid of that dry cast, or that dry looking cast on my face. And this is what the skin is looking like after setting it. Oh, okay, okay. Glass skin. Okay, Milk Makeup, I see you. All right, y'all, so the setting spray is completely dry and my skin still looks nice and glossy. And look at that highlighter. It just make my highlighter pop like severely. Okay, okay, okay. And like, this is the type of setting sprays that I'm kind of like drawn to because, you know, your girl got dry skin, if you didn't know. I love that natural, glowy, dewy, like type makeup. So that's the type of makeup that I'm drawn to. So if you like that natural, glowy, dewy type makeup look, this is definitely the setting spray for you. And it just feels really good on the skin. Like, my face doesn't feel tight. It feels like very nice and hydrated, and it did set my makeup really, really good. So let me go throw some lashes on and a lippy, and I'll be right back for the closing. Okay. All right, y'all. So y'all probably wondering like, girl, why you got on a hat? Listen, y'all, I did not feel like laying my edges, but that is neither here nor there. But you can still see that my makeup still looks good, still looking nice, glowy, dewy, and natural. Okay, so I throw on some lashes, throw in a lippy. Your girl about to go take some pics for the gram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram at keepingupwith_naii so you can see these pics. Hopefully the picture will be up by then, by the time this video goes out. If not, still follow me so you can catch that pic. Okay, so yes, like I was saying, I do like this setting spray. It is super good. I like how it set my makeup, how I'm looking all nice and dewy, and like it said on the card, glass skin. I really like that, and my face does feel super hydrated. I feel like you can use this as a refreshing setting spray for like your no makeup days, or even if you're just not wearing makeup at all, or even if you just want to set your full face of makeup, you can do that with this setting spray and it'll give you a nice glow. So y'all, I just looked at the card again and it says that it is for normal to dry skin, so I was correct. But it does says it is 12 hours wear. I'm not sure about the 12 hours because I don't wear my makeup for 12 hours, but I am going to be recording another video and also taking pictures. I will try to come back and give you guys an update on what my face is looking like. No promises here, but yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below what you think of today's look. If you're thinking about purchasing this setting spray, if it's for you, if it's not for you, let me know in the comments down below. Let's chat. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, sis, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am checking in, giving y'all an update on how my skin is looking. I just finished recording my second video of the day. Yes, I did change attire because I also took some pictures for Instagram. Yeah, I wish I would have told y'all what time I ended this video, well, what time I finished doing my makeup look, but when I looked at the timestamp on my phone, it says it ended like around 11:30, so that's what we're gonna go with. And right now, currently, it is 4:34, so I was roughly wearing my makeup for about 5 hours, which is pretty good. So this is what my makeup is looking after 5 hours. Don't mind the lippy because it did rub off. Child, that I'm about to rinse this makeup off as soon as I get done recording. I mean, as soon as I'm finished with this update video. But yeah, like I said, I recorded 2 videos under a hot ring light and took multiple pictures out in the hot heat. Okay, so yeah, my makeup didn't move, it didn't budge, it didn't slide, still intact, still here. So I would say 10 out of 10, highly recommend that setting spray. Here is some more angles for you guys before I go. A little close up, if you may, if you will. And yeah, we're just gonna ignore that uninvited guest. Love that for me, not really. But yeah, so my arm is starting to hurt holding this phone, so yeah. Sorry if the angle is bad, but I gotta go. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.